In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Constant Contact. If you're looking to effectively communicate with your audience through email marketing, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to create and send a professional-looking email in Constant Contact. Let's start by creating a new email. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Marketing Channels or simply Channels section, and then select Email. This is your first step into crafting a brand new communication piece for your audience. Once you're in the email section, go ahead and click on the option that says Create an Email. This will kick off the process and open up a world of possibilities for your email design. Now, one of the great features of Constant Contact is the plethora of templates at your disposal. You can choose from hundreds of customizable, mobile-responsive templates. These templates are designed to look great on any device, which is essential in today's mobile-first world. If you have something specific in mind, you can also start from scratch, use a PDF conversion, or even upload your own HTML if you like working more hands-on with your designs. Once you've selected your template, it's time to set up your campaign. This involves naming your campaign. Remember, this name is for your internal tracking only and won't be visible to your recipients, so choose something that helps you identify it easily later on. Next, you'll want to customize your email's subject line and the pre-header. The subject line is the first thing recipients will see, so make it catchy. Similarly, the pre-header is a great opportunity to provide a little extra information that might entice them to open your email. Also, don't forget to set your from name and the reply to address so your recipients know who's sending the email and where their replies will go. With your campaign set up, it's time to build and design the email itself. Head over to the Build tab, where you can really get creative. Here, you can insert various content blocks like text, images, buttons, spacers, tables, events, and more. Think of each content block as a building block that you can use to create something that's visually appealing and engaging. Don't hesitate to play around and find the perfect layout that conveys your message effectively. Once you're satisfied with your design, move to the Preview and Test section. This stage is crucial as it allows you to run error checks to ensure everything is functioning properly. Additionally, you can preview your email to see how it will look on different devices. This step helps ensure that your email looks great, whether someone views it on a computer or a mobile device. You can also send yourself or a colleague a test email to review formatting and content, which is a fantastic way to catch any last-minute errors. Finally, when you're ready to share your masterpiece, click on Continue to proceed to either send your email immediately or schedule it for later. With these simple steps, you have everything you need to send out an email that's polished and professional, reaching your audience effectively through Constant Contact. Thanks for following along.